put myself at the bottom of the stairs with a disinfectant cabinet. Go in. Not only can you have a secret nest of your own and keep the landlord from finding me, I smashed the stairs before. And I made a staircase railing for racing fish. But it was swiped by the landlord. What kind of fish do you have on that staircase? I'll check it in 10 minutes. It's impossible to dismantle. I'm going to build a secret den under the stairs. Let the landlord never find me. Clear out the stairwell first. Put a wooden floor on the floor. More textured, step on a wooden board to make a platform. Going to make some shelves on the wall. Put some of my favorite gadgets. Around the staircase ramp, nail wooden strips. Easy to fix the panel. Use a knife to cut out the panel to be used. Seal the panel with wooden strips. Lock the screws and fix. This side also encloses the stairwell with panels. Blend with putty. Fill it on the shelf. It looks brighter this way. The gap in the stairs was also filled. The panel at the entrance of the hole was also filled. Brush on base paint. Then do the cleaning. After that, it was this hole. The disinfection cabinet was searched from the landlord's warehouse. Remove the parts inside. Be the big cousin. First, take a saw to open an opening in the disinfection cabinet. Hammer open. Lock the disinfection cabinet at the staircase. Take a look at the face. Drill and see. But after thinking about it for a night, it still doesn't fit. Simply paint it brown. The painting painted by Ghost Gate before, the response is good. Let's have another one of the same style. Fill in the big block. Add details. In this way, the disinfection cabinet is also transformed. The space at the corner of the stairs is wasted. Simply open your mouth. Create a space for the kitten to move around. Splice the house shape with wooden planks. Nail gun tight. Snap into the hole. Arrange it as a place for the cat to rest. Next, decorate the inside as well. The door also needs to be decorated. Block the modified disinfection cabinet. It's hard to find the landlord at the entrance now. Let's take a look together.